Angels and Dudes. How to make DIY armpit detox mask and scrub to detoxify armpits. Learn how to make DIY armpit detox mask and armpit detox scrub that detoxify armpits, get rid of body odor, ease the transition to natural deodorant, and improve your armpits' color and texture. The ingredients for the armpit detox scrub are white granulated sugar, white kaolin clay, melted coconut oil, and essential oils. Adding kaolin to an armpit scrub balances gentle and intense exfoliation. Plus, it controls sweat and body odor. The ingredients for the armpit detox mask are white kaolin clay, activated charcoal, apple cider vinegar, melted coconut oil, and lemongrass essential oil. Both activated charcoal and white kaolin clay draw out bacteria, dirt, microparticles, and toxic chemicals from the skin so that your armpit can detox more quickly and efficiently. Plus, activated charcoal balances oily skin, treats acne, and deep cleanses skin. First, the scrub. To make this armpit detox scrub, add granulated sugar and kaolin clay to a glass bowl. Blend with a wire whisk to completely incorporate the ingredients. Add the melted coconut oil to the sugar clay mixture. Add a little bit at a time until the scrub is a thick paste. Mix well until completely blended. It may take a little less or a little more than the recommended amount of coconut oil depending upon your sugar and clay. Store your armpit detox scrub in a sealed container, preferably in the fridge, and use within 3 months. To use, apply onto wet, clean underarms. Massage gently in circular motions for the ultimate exfoliating experience. Rinse off and notice how soft, smooth, and beautifully moisturized your underarms feel. Use the scrub 2 to 3 times a week. Next, the mask. To make this armpit detox mask, mix kaolin clay and activated charcoal in a small glass bowl until completely blended. Add apple cider vinegar, melted coconut oil, and essential oil. Mix together until smooth. The mixture should have a thin, paste-like consistency. To use, apply an even layer to clean, dry underarms and let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes. Use warm water to gently rinse off, then pat the underarms dry with a clean towel. Then use this cooling aloe mist afterwards to get rid of odor and to soothe, heal, and moisturize your skin, since this detox mask can leave your underarms a little dry. The aloe mist is available on angelsanddudes.com. Within a week or 2, you should notice that you're sweating less and smell better, even without the help of deodorant. Note that it may take a little longer to notice results. Just be patient and give the armpit detox mask time to work its magic. Repeat daily until you start to notice less sweating and body odor. Then use 1 to 2 times a week. If you use this DIY armpit detox mask and scrub at least twice a week, you can expect less toxic residue buildup in your armpits, reduced transition time from conventional to natural deodorant, less body odor, irritation, and sweating, improved color and texture in the armpits, and improved lymphatic circulation and less tender lymph nodes. If you're pressed for time or don't have a lot of time to DIY, try this Armpit Detox Kit instead. It contains the exact quantities for each detox treatment and comes with enough ingredients for 10 detox treatments. It's also available at angelsanddudes.com. Your turn. Are you ready to eliminate built-up toxins from your armpits and skin, get rid of body odor, restore bacterial balance to your underarms, and ease your transition to natural deodorant? For more information, visit angelsanddudes.com. Angels and Dudes, don't forget to subscribe!